Hey my loves, welcome back to our channel. I am here with another one from juliahair.com. So excited to be working with these guys again. I'm back on up so I can get a look. And let's get into this unit. So they told me that sis, you don't do enough curly hair. Like, this is literally the conversation. You don't do enough big curly hair. I'm going to send you a big old curly hair unit, though. Unit is stunning. They sent me their Brazilian curly human hair wig, okay? She's pre-plucked. She's stunning. So let's just throw her on so you guys can. So the inside of the cap, this has 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, adjustable straps. Okay, this is a 13x6 lace front. Look how stunning that is, okay? The lace is a little bit light, but that's okay. And what's great about this is that it's pre-plucked and bleached. And you know, we ain't got no time for fake ones. So I enjoy not having to do so much work. They said, mother, you could do hair, mother. Ooh, child, this is hair. Okay, so let's take off this lace and get into her. I feel like scissor, and I kind of like it. So we're just going to go through and get this lace laid down. All right, guys, let's get into the details of this unit here. So this young lady is a 13x4 lace. I know I said 13x6, but she's a 13x4 lace unit. She has 180% density, and she's 22 inches. She's going for just under $250. But don't clutch your mother's pearls just yet. JuliaHair.com is always running a sale, okay? This unit is super big head friendly. Please glue her down, because you will get snatched up, okay? Ain't nobody got time for that. Wigs on our heads all 2020. All right, guys. So this is her glued down. She's beautiful. I didn't do anything to the front of this unit. I just laid her down. I added a little bit of our contour palette. Everybody's using wig tinting spray now. I think that's a really good alternative too, because this is a relatively light lace. I'm a brown girl, so I had to do a little bit of work. So this is what she looked like out the pack, okay? Nice and big, sexy hair. I really do love this. I can't even pretend like I don't. But we are going to go in and try to tame her a bit, just to give her a more functional look. Because this lace is 13x6, it can be parted in several places. See that? So I'm choosing to do a middle part. Look at that. Out the motherfucking scalp. Okay, so let's go through and get her a little bit more calmer. What we're going to use is our Cream of Nature mousse. So we're going to use mousse and water because this is so much hair. Okay, so this is just and I'm just running my fingers because you want to keep that nice curl. You want it to still be nice and curly. Just look like a beachy kind of wave, you know? I'm going to spray it down. Look at that. I'm just running my comb through to make sure it's evenly distributed. Good night. JuliaHair.com did not come to play with us on this one. She is so summertime fine. It is not even funny. The length of this unit, the texture of this unit, the way the hair feels, is just wonderful. I really do encourage you guys to go check out JuliaHair.com and take a look at this one, because she is really well made. This is a quality unit for quality curls and quality girls, okay? JuliaHair.com is a super affordable company. You all should go check them out. They are always having a sale. We running up on Mother's Day, and this would be the perfect time to buy yourself something cute, okay? So especially, we might not be going anywhere, but that don't mean you ain't got to be cute, okay? So I would definitely say that you should grab her. I love doing these human hair units, especially when they are bomb. And Julia Hair sent me, this is the second collaboration I've done with Julia Hair, and I'm still impressed. So make sure you guys Go check them out. Tell me what you guys are thinking. Bust down, subscribe to our channel, and I hope to see you beautiful babies later.